Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share some command prompt tricks with you. So the first thing, open command prompt and type color A. This will change the color of the text. Now let's try typing color with different letters. So we can do this up to letter F. Now let's try to change the background color by typing color and combining any of these two letters. Let's say FA. As you can see that we have changed the background color. Now let's try with a different background color by typing color and different letters. As you can see that first we change the color of the text by typing color with the different letters from letter A to F. After that we change the background color of the command prompt by typing color and combining any two letters from A to F. Now let's try to change the font of command prompt. To do this, we need to right click on the title bar and click properties. Now click font. As you can see that we have different fonts available here, so you can choose your desired font from here. You can also set the size and click OK. As you can see that we have changed the font and its size. So that's it for today. We have learned three tricks today. We changed the background color, we changed the color of the text, and we changed the font type. So thank you for watching and please subscribe for more content.